Hey guys, welcome back to update number 2. Yeah, so basically what I've done is changed a lot of things. I took off all that stuff, all the gems in there, decided to put in a mini alien off Hero Factory, guy with a gun, him trying to shoot at it as well, this guy trying to fix this because the tire came off, this guy also trying to shoot at him. And here, on the outside here so far is like a security camera, and it's facing down trying to catch the footage. There's a guy in there. If I just take this off, there's a minifigure sitting in here. He was originally there. And I wondered, how would he actually be breathing? So I decided to build this outer piece. And so it's like an outer piece, like why I find hard to explain. I no clue. I mean, I built this whole thing. This is now, so basically what I used is a piece of a helicopter, but it's like an invisible one. I got these, I think like $1 for 3. I'm using these because it's pretty useful, and there's a camera on hers actual body. Character is pretty fine. Yeah. So he's like sitting here, trying to shoot at it. This vehicle I built, looks nice. It was off originally a set. I just changed that. As you can tell, I was looking for a lot of pieces. With the Lego, I'm not sorted. There's some Lego in there, and container on my bed. Sorry, my bed's a freaking mess. Gosh. Yeah, the wheels falling off. Yeah. So yeah. I got the instructions off the internet, and I decided to build that. I bought some minifigures and parts. I bought the entire set of that had the instructions. I bought that yesterday. So yeah, I might update it a wee bit. Yeah, basically I'm just in the beta testing stage pretty much of when I'm making changes, doing everything. So yeah, you saw it in there, so now we're gonna look in here. So yeah, there's just a lady on a computer. Nothing else in here right now, but I'm probably gonna update it. So from the station, you'll be like this. You'll be like seeing everything just battling, and you're like, oh, he's brave. Going to fix that vehicle. You can see one of the guys mid-ear. If you ignore that stool, it actually looks pretty good. And yeah, it's basically that. So from the outside, it's the same structure on the outside. I just moved a few bricks around. This minifigure I've had for so long. Let's just focus up on it. This is a custom weapon. Yeah, basically what I did was, I just gotta put the minifigure down. Grab the actual weapon. So I just grabbed binoculars And I grabbed this gun. If you've got this gun, try and look around for some binoculars, and you'll be able to put them together, and you'd have a really nice gun. So yeah, it would look pretty good. So yeah, yeah, but this piece wasn't originally on him. I decided to put that on there. Everything else is normal. The thing I really like about him is the helmet. Good focus there. It's a really good helmet. Then the actual kit on the minifigure is pretty good. I will do a separate video on all the minifigures I'm using for this, and yeah. So that's basically that. What else? Yeah, nothing much is really happening. The set that gave me the idea to do this was set 60077, I think. It was a pretty nice set. So as you can tell, I might be building way more if I get another one of these plates. Yeah. I will be doing a video on how to get free Lego. But yeah, I'm going to be doing a fair amount on my birthday. I'm going to be doing a giant vlog on the 25th of August. So you can be looking out for that. It will be pretty good. And yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this update. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.